Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking gear that actually lets you get close. A 1:1 macro lens or extension tubes, plus a solid tripod. Once done, mount the camera and use a remote release or the 2-second timer to prevent shake. Set aperture between f/8 and f/16 because depth of field is razor thin at high magnification. Use ISO 100 to 400 to keep noise low. Also, focus manually to gain control and meter exposure before you move to composing the shot. Once composition is locked, switch to manual focus and focus carefully on the plane you want sharp. To increase usable depth, shoot a focus stack. Capture multiple frames shifting focus in small increments, then blend them later. Make micro adjustments by moving the camera on rails or sliding the tripod rather than twisting the lens for precise framing. Make sure to light your subject with diffused sources or a ring flash to avoid harsh shadows. Consistent light helps when you merge stacked images. To finish, import your images and align and blend the focus stack in your preferred software so the sharpest areas combine. Once blended, do selective sharpening and correct chromatic aberration and vignetting from close work. If clients see motion blur, make sure to increase shutter speed, add flash, or raise ISO carefully. Each has trade-offs in exposure and noise, so choose by scene. And if focus is off, reshoot with smaller focus steps and verify stability before committing to long stacks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.